Vaikuntha Ekadashi is one of the important and auspicious day for Hindus. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It occurs in the Hindu calendar in the month of Margashirsha between December and January. When observed, it bestows liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Vaikuntha Dwaram, or the gate to the Lord's inner sanctum, is opened on this day. Special prayers from Vedas, Divya Prabandham, Sri Vaikuntha Gadhyam, Yagyas, discourses and speeches are arranged at Vishnu temples around the world on this auspicious day. Vaikuntha is a supreme abode of Lord Vishnu and called the place of non-hindrance. Mortals find it in the feet of Lord Vishnu as Vishnupada or Parampadam, as it is a place for Lord Vishnu and his devotees to reside in Shuddha Sattva, or the supreme state of purity and goodness. In Vishnu temples, Vaikuntha Ekadashi is part and parcel of the Dhanurmasa Vratam and Puja. Entire month is Vrata month, as all days of Dhanurmasa require control over actions and food restrictions for Sri Vaishnavas. The significance of Vaikuntha Ekadashi is mentioned in the Padma Puran. The legend says that the Devas, unable to bear the tyranny of Muran, a demon, approached Lord Vishnu for help. A battle ensued between Vishnu and the demon, and Vishnu realized that a new weapon was needed to slay Muran. In order to create a new weapon, Lord Vishnu took rest in a cave. When Muran tried to slay Vishnu, who was sleeping, the female power that emerged from Lord Vishnu burnt Muran to ashes with her glance. Vishnu, who was pleased, named the goddess Ekadashi and asked her to claim a boon. Ekadashi instead beseeched Vishnu that people who observed a fast on that day should be redeemed of their sins. Vishnu thus declared that people who observed a fast on that day and worshipped Ekadashi would attain Vaikuntha. Thus came into being the first Ekadashi, which was a Dhanurmasa Shukla Paksha Ekadashi. The demon Muran stands for the Rajasic and Tamasic qualities in people attributed to lust, passion, arrogance, etc. When one conquers these tendencies, one attains the purity of mind, sattva, indispensable for attaining of moksha, the liberation or the realization of the self. For realizing the self as pure awareness, purity of mind is required. Fasting helps to keep at bay tendencies which could be triggered by intake of certain foods. Keeping vigil in the night is symbolic of awareness or being watchful of the contents of the mind. To abide in stillness is to attain freedom or peace, acquired through merging of the mind with the self. This is symbolic of the mind automatically being absorbed at the sight of Vishnu after the arduous fast and vigil. The belief that rice is prohibited because Muran dwells in it symbolically signifies that the eating of rice makes one feel heavy and hampers the vigil. This signifies that entertaining negative tendencies could hamper one's progress towards awareness or consciousness. Observance of the rituals on this auspicious day, even without understanding their importance, is beneficial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Happy Vaikuntha Ekadashi.